everyone, this is AV of avdoeswhat.com, the DIY and lifestyle blog. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you can actually get to see my videos. YouTube is pretty weird like that. Today, we are talking about storage. Not a game, but storage. With this tutorial, it is very similar to the DIY I did with the bathroom basket. I'll put the link here or here, wherever way it pops up, but right there. But you do not need hot glue. All you need is a wire basket, some fabric, scissors, rope, or twine. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is cut your twine into several 2 feet long pieces. Take a piece of twine and tie it to the corner of your wire basket, then weave the twine in between each section. If you run out of twine as you're weaving, just tie another piece to the twine and keep on weaving. Each section, you want to alternate your pattern of your weaving just to give it a little bit more dimension. Once you finish all 4 sides, you want to make sure you trim off any excess twine. For the lining, you're going to take a piece of fabric, measure it to size, and place it on the bottom of your basket. To keep the lining secure, you want to cut some slits in the corner of your fabric, then tie it to the spokes of your wire basket. So, what do you think about that cool storage solution? What are you putting in your basket? Hopefully, not all of your eggs. Get it? Let me know in the comment section below. To find more dope DIYs and amazing recipes, please visit avdoeswhat.com. And while you're doing that, don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, peace out.